What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, we're going to talk about my top 5 favorite ETFs in 2021. So before we get started, what are ETFs? ETFs are exchange traded funds. They're basically like a mutual fund, except they trade just like a normal stock on the stock exchange. So you can see their price fluctuation throughout the day and you can buy and sell anytime the market's open. So it's really good from a liquidation point of view. With that being said, let's jump right to it. Number 1, ARKK by ARK Invest. So this ETF mostly invests in the innovation space. It's got an impressive 1-year return of 75% and a 5-year return of a mind-blowing 485%. ARK Invest is managed by Cathie Wood, who is a really well-trusted and respected money manager in the investment community. You might have heard she was one of the early believers in Tesla and Bitcoin, so she's really well respected. Some of the top holdings in ARKK are going to be Tesla, Teladoc Health, Square, Shopify, Zoom. Number 2, iClean by iShares. This ETF has a 1-year return of 95% and a 5-year return of an impressive 160%. This ETF invests in company in the clean energy space. So for example, solar, wind, any renewable energy sources. Some of the top holdings in this ETFs are going to be Vestas Wind System, Enphase Energy, and Xcel Energy. Number 3, DRIV by Global X. So this ETF has a 1-year return of 100% and a 5-year return of 75%. Not bad at all. This ETF is involved in investing in companies involved in autonomous vehicle technology, EVs themselves, EV components, as well as any company that's making, for example, software and batteries for electric vehicles. This ETF, some of the top holdings are Google, Microsoft, Nvidia, Apple, and General Electric. Number 4, QQQ by Invesco. This ETF has a 1-year return of 44% and a 5-year return of an impressive 212%. So this ETF invests in the 100 largest companies listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange that are non-financial. This ETF is tech heavy. Some of the names in this ETF are Amazon, Tesla, Facebook, PayPal, but it does have a good amount of healthcare like Amgen, Gilead Sciences, as well as your consumer staples like Pepsi, Costco. Last but not least, number 5, SPY. So this is a S&P 500 ETF. It is the largest ETF in the world. This ETF is often actually used as a market index to get a pulse for what's going on in the stock market every day. So this is going to be one of your low risk ETFs, and this is great to pair with another ETF like one of the ones we talked about earlier, like ARKK, DRIV, or Clean, because since it is low risk, it really balances out your portfolio well with the little bit higher risk, high growth ETFs. There you have it, guys. My top favorite 5 ETFs in 2021. Comment if you have any questions, or if you have some ETFs that you really like, throw them in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Please like and subscribe. It really helps, and I'd love to hear what kind of content you'd want to see next. And remember, guys, if you plant your seeds early, you can really see your wealth grow over time. See you next time.